Hey, we finally have a C4 Segue update. It's only been a month or two. Redoing this doug-nash overdrive unit. There's already a couple videos on YouTube that talk about taking it apart, and it's pretty much a reverse removal for installation. Only thing I wanted to talk about is this is an early unit, and rather than get a different valve body and separator plate from a later unit that has a constant line pressure, I put a mechanical stop in here. See air right there on the throttle valve and plug the hole in the case. Part of this was to make hooking it up to the LS easier. The other part is the cable housing broke and I wasn't really able to find a replacement because old transmission stuff. I think the 84, 85 was the only one that had the kick down cable type setup. But somebody has all the parts and wants to put it back together later. I have not really rendered anything inoperable. I did cut threads right there to put a plug right down there in that little hole. But it would just be a simple pull that guy out, clamp this piece back down, and hook it all back up if somebody wanted to do that. I have no intention of doing that. We're going to control the overdrive with the Holly. So yeah, that's where that's at. I'm gonna get this cleaned up and off my little workspace here and move over to the Volvo cylinder head. I'm not going to be able to totally wrap this up tonight because I had ordered a new bearing for the unit. It probably doesn't need it, but you know, it'd be a real pain in the ass to have to tear all this thing back apart to replace that guy if it was bad. So I'm just went ahead and got the new bearing. It's only 60 bucks, which makes the total rebuild for this whole thing somewhere around $300, not including labor, obviously. But all in all, it's pretty neat. It's, you know, miniature power glide. Look up who is it on Facebook? Let's see, it is Gearbox Video. He's done a couple of videos on these units if you're curious about it. They're pretty cool. The pump's in the back's driven off the drive shaft, and it's got, you know, basically it's a high-low. It's like a miniature power glide. So that's all I got. Yeehaw.